All right, I wanted to add to the video that I made this morning because some of you were still having issues trying to find your information that you needed in order to find your words and to do your projects. Some of you were out there Googling definitions, which is fine, but I would prefer that you were using the text that we were using in class. So I'm going to show you what I did for that. It's going to look the same for computer science as it will for cybersecurity. I'm going to show you that tab. All right, week of November 1st through 5th. Here's your project right here. It tells you what to do. Underneath it, I put your project files so you could find them easier. So you got chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and chapter 6. And a few of you will be getting some notes from this Cyber Patriot Unit 0. This was an assignment we did. There's a PDF that you can read to get some information from that you will have to put into yours. And then the same thing for Unit 1. We may or may not use that one. But notice that the assignment says, well, let's just view it on both of these. The Unit 0 and Unit 1 is going to say pretty much the same thing. Notice that it says that this is posted for file access only. This is from marking period 1. This is not an assignment to do. This is just for you to use the PDF or the Quizlet in order to find some of those terms or things that I asked you to put in your word wall. So I hope this helps. I was trying to make it a little bit more convenient for you to get to the notes that you need. You can even use pictures off of there. You can take screenshots of different pictures if you want to use those. I also put the notes right here that we did at the very beginning of the year when we didn't have our computers yet. So the PDF file is right here that has a lot of those notes in it, things that you can probably use. I haven't given any terms out of there, but you can still use those. All right, so I think that might help you in order to find your information that you need. Everything is right here underneath this week of November 1st through the 5th. If you are absent, you're going to need to get in contact with me or your group so that you can make sure that you're doing your part. What I may do if you're going to be absent is have you do it on your own and just shorten your assignment. But you are still responsible for taking care of this. Make sure that you do so and that you either help your group or I will take you out of the group and just make you responsible for a certain part of it individually. All right, that's all I have. I just wanted to make sure that you knew where to find everything. I'm going to stop recording and get this uploaded for you guys.